we don't know their backstory other than a couple of demographic data, it's still really impactful to see the ages, the names, the gender, and then the cause of death. The installation was created by Jason De León, and he is an anthropologist who studies border crossing along the U.S.-Mexico border. With the toe tag, it has basically all the demographic information that the medical examiner's office gathers on deaths that happen along the border. We write all those things on the toe tags, including the latitude and longitude, which then we're able to put onto the map that we have in the installation. Immigration laws actually create these conditions of death for migrants. Prevention through deterrence forced migrants who were trying to cross the border into hostile terrains. Now they're being pushed into mountainous desert regions where the impact of that has thousands upon thousands of deaths, which I think makes things very real to see that, oh, this is happening on the border. If we don't fix our immigration laws, more people can die.